best hosting company compromission. So in this video I will show you the best hosting providers for this year, for 2024, and even for 2025, and even for 2027, because I made my choice and I'll show you all the hosting providers. Number 3 in my case, in my opinion, is HostGator. HostGator are rated at number 3 because they got really good support. The reason why I host my site sometimes with HostGator is because they have low prices and the support is just amazing in my opinion. And now we're gonna go to number 2. Number 2 is Hosting. Hosting got also great hosting. They are really fast, you have good backups, you have good website builders, you have WordPress, you have everything. So I really like Hostinger also. But if you can compare, I choose for Cloudways, because they're really friendly, they supporting you with your products. They got a chat right over here, and I think they got the fastest hosting with SSD and very fast hosting. I tried it, and the best part of Cloudways is that they provide a trial, which Hostinger and HostGator you can't start a trial. So with Cloudways you can try for free. So that's the reason when I should choose for Cloudways. Links in the resources in the description. So they got SSL certificate and really good support. So it's the rated 1 number hosting provider in my opinion, because